Welcome to the German 2 final exam review session. In order to review for our final exam, we'll be using a lot of resources by our book series, Klett, and I'd like to go ahead and show you how to access those materials. So go ahead in your internet browser and go to Google and type in Klett online and then Übungen. So you want Klett online Übungen. Which is going to take you to that. Let's find out if we don't do the umlaut, does it still take you to what we're looking for? Yes, it does. So if you don't have that umlaut availability to you, just go ahead and type in a regular U. And we want this one right here, Online Übungen. And then it says Online Übungen, and then we have to choose our Lehrbuchauswahl. Well, in German 2, we use Wir Neu 2. So go ahead and choose Wir Neu 2. And then as we click on it down here, it's going to give us some chapter choices. And we started with Module 1, Lektion 1. So if we click on that drop down, we can see that we have all these different choices for all these different modules. In German 2, first semester, we have done Module 4, Lektion 1, all the way up to Module 5, Lektion 2. In today's review session, I really want you to focus on Module 4, Lektion 1 and Lektion 2. So let's go ahead and click on Module 4, Lektion 1, and then you click Übungen generieren, which is to generate the exercises. Now, it has all these different online exercises for us to practice. Wähl die richtige Antwort aus. Choose the correct answer. So it's asking us a question, and then it asks us which one of these is the correct one. So if I'm just going through, Peter, kann ich deinen Roller haben? Peter, may I have your scooter? You'd say, nein, ich brauche seinen Roller. Nein, I don't need his. Ich brauche meinen Roller. I need my scooter. So you're looking for those little grammatical points that we practiced in these chapters. Chapter 4, Lektion 1 is really working with a lot of possessives. So we keep on going through, It says ordne zu, which means put these into the correct word order. What matches best. So Deutsch lernen, Volleyball spielen, Rad fahren, inline skaten, and I can drag these around. Same thing here. Wähl die richtige Variante aus. Select the correct variation. Gehört die Sporttasche dir? So remember our verb gehören means to belong to. Does the sport bag belong to you? Ja, das ist meine Sporttasche. So kind of the same thing here, choosing from the drop down. Now here it's ergänze mit der richtigen Form, wollen und können. So now we have to actually type in the correct answer of either wollen or können. It tells us over here which verb that we want to use. Peter blank schwimmen lernen. Well, we know that's Peter will schwimmen lernen. Ergänze die passende Farbe. Complete with the passende, a suitable color. So Brot is maybe brown. Now, when you're doing these activities, you want to look in your notes to make sure that you are spelling them correctly. Ergänze die richtige Kategorie. So we have to decide which category. Is it a Sportartikel, is it Kleidung, or is it a Schulsachen? Well, I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I know a Mäppchen is a pencil pouch. And these are all other items. So that's how you do that. Bilde einen Satz. We want to build a sentence that is in the correct order. So we'd read through that and like organize stuff. Obviously the period going last. Bilde eine Frage. Build a question. So you could be like, gehört der Tennisschläger Thomas? These ones are describing a different word, and we want to type it in and decide what it is. It lets us type that way. Let's see here. Was passt. Same thing here. Eine Jeans ist eine, and then you have to type it in. So A is up here. Like when you click on it, it'll kind of take you to where it is. B, it's going to move. Well, this is A, this is B, C, D, E. All right, so then at the end of that, you could put, you want to check your answers. So you click Übungen auswählen, or sorry, it said Übungen. Well, it says check your answers. So then we can look up here and we can see what it was. So this one we know that we got right because it's all green check marks. These ones we didn't answer. So notice when you don't answer a question, it doesn't just give you the correct answer when you click on submit. So that's something important to know, is you do have to try with this activity. They're not going to just give you the answers. Same thing with this one's ordnet zu. It's going to show you what you got right. We got all these right. This one we didn't really try that much. Actually, we didn't try it all on this one. So this one shows that we got A and B right. And part of this learning process is you would want to look and be like, okay, what did I do wrong here? That's part of the study process. So again, you would check your answers. Notice it's not going to give them to you for you. It's going to show you what you got right. Then what I want you to do is click on Neue Variation, and that means a new variation. So it is actually going to give you a whole nother test on the same type of information. And basically what that lets you do is reflect on what you got wrong on your last one, and you try to do it again without making those same mistakes. So I would like you to do at least 3 variations of Module 4, Lektion 1 and 2 today. So I want you to do at least 3 variations of it. So I want you to do 6 online activities. I want you to practice 3 for Module 4, Lektion 1, and I want you to practice 3 for Module 4, Lektion 2. All right, so that is how we do it. And down here, you can go zurück zur Auswahl. Down here, once you've done Module 4, Lektion 1, 3 times, then I want you to move on to Lektion 2 and do the same thing. And largely the activities are all going to be similar. But do each 3 times. Do it 4 times if you don't do well. Do it as many times as you need to. All right, viel Glück. Enjoy.